পৃথিবীতে আছে যত নগরাদি গ্রাম সর্বত্র প্রচার হইবে মোর। That is his prediction. That as many towns and villages are there on the surface of the globe, everywhere this message of Hare Krishna mantra and Chaitanya, Lord Chaitanya's name will be there.
Hare Krishna. There is no exercise better for the heart than reaching down and lifting people. The real road of compassion, that is, giving, helping, assistance, and community service, is a road that can be set and declared as your life's purpose. India Tribal Care Trust is an initiative of ISKCON to reach underprivileged and needy tribals in Assam, Tripura, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, and Jharkhand by giving them support to lead better lives both materially and spiritually.
This project started about 7 years back under the able stewardship of His Holiness Bhakti Purushottam Maharaj and proficiently supported by Chief Coordinator His Grace Sri Dham Govind Prabhu. This project has been specially blessed by His Holiness Jai Pataka Swami Maharaj, whose great desire was to reach people in forests and mountains in addition to people in towns and villages.
We now take you over to Ayodhya Hills at Purulia in West Bengal. This is a famous tourist spot with breathtaking natural beauty. Thousands of people visit this hill station, especially during winter, to see Upper Dam, Lower Dam, Valley, and Sitakund. The tribals who are dwelling this place are simple, hardworking, and kind-hearted.
Recently, a new school was inaugurated by His Holiness Bhakti Purushottam Maharaj. This school, which costs rupees 37 lakhs, was generously donated by Sri Ram Chakravarti from the United States and His Grace Rameshwar Das from United Kingdom. In this region, Indian Tribal Care Trust runs 19 centers where children receive free preparatory education which help them to perform better in the mainstream education in government schools.
In recent past, Government of Tripura decided to hand over 20 schools to Indian Tribal Care Trust with the hope to improve the standard of education. These schools follow prestigious CBSE curriculum. Blanket distribution was done at Chantum in Dalai district in Tripura. Blankets were sponsored by Nilanjana Mataji from Kolkata. Last year also, blankets were distributed with the donations from devotees from Damodar Desh, India, and United Kingdom.
Every year, a tribal safari is organized to go various tribal areas in Tripura, Assam, and some other places. Devotees take stride to go to deep interior regions of tribal areas to help poor and needy people. Over the period of time, remarkable transformation have been noticed in the character and behavior of these tribals.
A big motivational event, which is Tribal Convention, is held every year in Sridham, Mayapur. Tribals from various parts of India congregate. Last year was the 5th Tribal Convention, which was held from November 4th to 6th. The Tribal Convention was graced by Srimati Niti Dev, wife of Chief Minister of Tripura, and many other prominent dignitaries.
जब महाप्रभु का करुणा सिर्फ शहर और गांव वालों के लिए क्यों, जो पहाड़ जंगल में रहते हैं वो लोगों को भी महाप्रभु का आशीर्वाद कृपा मिलना चाहिए। पहाड़ जंगल में जो जनजाति लोग रहते हैं वो लोग महाप्रभु का आशीर्वाद पाने के लिए बहुत योग्य है, लेकिन आज बहुत सारे साल हो गया अभी तक हम लोग कहीं उन लोग के पास पहुँचे नहीं। तो लास्ट 6-7 साल हुआ हमारा इस्कॉन का ओर से इंडिया ट्राइबल केयर ट्रस्ट हम लोग बनाए, जिसके जरिया से हम लोग अभी 6 स्टेट में 7 स्टेट में हो रहा है, सारा भारत में ये कार्यक्रम चलेगा। 6 तरीका केयर हम लोग करते हैं, एजुकेशनल केयर, हेल्थ केयर, सोशल केयर, इमोशनल केयर, ऐसा करके गांव-गांव में स्कूल वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट कार्यक्रम में हो रहा है।
और जनजातीय एक वही शक्ति है हमारे देश की जो इस मिट्टी से जुड़ी हुई है, जिसके हाथ सदैव भारत माँ की इस मिट्टी से सने रहते हैं। अगर उस मिट्टी से सने हाथ मुझे आशीर्वाद देते हैं, प्यार देते हैं, तो मैं क्यों अपनी बाहें ना फैलाऊं और उनका स्वागत करूं। उनके हर छोटे बड़े त्योहार में सुख में ना सही तो दुख में तो उनके साथ खड़ी हो सकूं, यही कोशिश मैं करती हूं।
We look forward to your help and support to reach more and more tribals so that we can give them an opportunity to develop further in their lives and to integrate with the mainstream.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.